Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the 3 SIM card phone BM5310. This is a mini phone that supports 3 SIM cards and all of them working at the same time on standby. This is pretty awesome. Before we continue, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's go ahead and have a quick look into the box. So on the box, we've got the phone here inside. We've got the model BM5310. This is a wireless mini card phone. It has 1.33-inch LCD display. It supports the 3 SIM cards and an expansion TF card. So having another look here, it has surround wear comfortable, easy operation, and it's ergonomic. It's got an HD camera, nothing here on the sides. And at the back, we've got the IMEI, we've got the color range that is available. This mini phone, you can make and receive calls, you can send and receive SMS messages, you can synchronize SMS list, call record, phone book. So now that we got that out of the way, we will look at the full features in a minute. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's open the box. Cool. Right, so box out of the way, we've got the phone here. We've got a small cord here. We've got the USB cable for charging, and we've got a manual instructions right here. So let's get this out of the way. Right, so yeah, we've got a note here advising of precautions to take. The battery is covered with insulating tape. Please remove the insulating tape from the battery before using the phone. So I'll get that out of the way, and then we've got the manual here with all of the instructions on how to operate it. Let's get that out of the way for now. Get the cord out and the cable. So this here is the phone, and this is what it looks like. It does have a protective film here that I'm going to remove in a bit. So having a look at the phone, it's got the speaker right here at the top. We've got the keyboard right here. We've got this middle dial key here as well. So at the bottom, we've got the microphone. And looking at the sides, nothing really here on the side. We've got the USB port here on the top for charging, and nothing on the other side. And at the back, we've got the HD camera. I'm going to now open just the cover here at the back. So there is this small opening here that I'm going to just use to open the cover. So I've opened the cover, and here we've got the battery, and the manual mentions that we need to remove the plastic covering the battery before first use. So I'm going to remove the battery now, and having a look inside the phone, we've got the 3 micro SIM card slots, and we've got an expansion slot over on the left hand side, and this is for you to add a micro SD card. Okay, so it looks pretty nice. It's got the model there, BM5310, and I'm going now just to remove this plastic film. Right, so I'm going to insert the battery back. So that's done, and I'm going to now charge the phone. And we will be getting ready to set up and test the phone. Right, so having a quick look here at a comparison on how small this is. So I've got an iPhone 6 over here, and if I place this phone over here, you will see the difference. It's actually very, very small, as you can see. I've also got a Samsung S7. So if you look at the difference here between this small phone and the Samsung S7, very, very small. Okay, so I've charged the phone, and let's go ahead now and insert SIM cards. I've got 3 SIM cards here for testing. 2 of them are local SIM cards here in the UK, and one of them is a SIM card from Portugal, which has roaming enabled. Alright, okay, so to insert the SIM cards, first remove the battery cover, then remove the battery. So we're going to insert the first SIM card. So, and to insert the SIM card, you need to pull this cover to the front and then pull it up. and we are going to insert the first SIM cards. As such. So the first SIM card is in. I'm going to close the cover and lock it up. I'm going to insert now the second SIM card. So this will be my roaming SIM card from Portugal. Same thing here. Pull up the cover and pull it up to open. Then insert the SIM card. Okay, close the cover and lock it. And now let's insert the third SIM card over here. Going to pull the cover, open it, and close it. Okay, so the SIM card is in, and I'm going to close it and lock it. That is done. So I'm not going to put an SD card for now. Let's insert the battery. Battery inserted. I'm going to put the cover and cover inserted. Now I am going to power on the phone. So just press on the power button for a few seconds. The phone powers on. Okay, it's searching for network. Right, it has found the first SIM card network, which is giffgaff. It's searching for the second one. It's got a SIM access error. And let's see the third one, it's giffgaff as well. Okay, so what I've done now is I've switched the SIM cards around. So I've put giffgaff and giffgaff on SIM 1 and 2, and then I put the roaming SIM card on slot 3, and it has now been able to read the SIM cards, and it's connecting to T-Mobile, which is a roaming partner. So now that we've got that set up, unlock your phone, just press on the unlock button and then the star key, and this will unlock your phone. You can have access to the menu here where you go to contacts, message, multimedia, organize the settings, etc. So this phone does have Bluetooth. You can connect to a hands-free device, for example, and it does have FM radio, and it doesn't require an antenna. To access the FM radio, you just press down from the dial. So you need to unlock it first, press the unlock button, star, and then press down, and this will access the radio. So I'm not going to use it now. I'll be testing the phone over the next day or so, and I'll come back to you with another video where I will go through all of the features that this phone has. This is not a smartphone. It's a 2G phone, and it's designed for you to make and receive phone calls, send SMS messages. It does have a camera if you want to take a picture. It does have a loudspeaker here at back. Now, why would you want to buy one of these? Now, there are many reasons, and one of the main reasons why would you want to buy one of these, it's that you know, if you're going to travel to somewhere where you know that there is a high risk of phone theft, for example, you would want to leave your expensive iPhone or your Samsung device in your hotel room or in your friend's house and just switch over your SIM card onto something like this. You can still take photos, you can still receive calls, you can send and receive SMS messages. You won't have access to the internet. However, you will be able to be reachable on one of these phones. And if it gets stolen, it's not as high value as your iPhone or your Samsung phone. Or any other Android phone, for example, that is a high-end spec phone. SIM card, it's easy to replace. I mean, you just call your service provider, or you go on the internet, and you can easily request a replacement SIM card which is shipped to your home. So it has the 3 SIM cards. Even if you are not going abroad, if you are home and you you don't want to be locked into social media, you don't want to get access to Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and all of that, you can have one of these. The battery will last you like about a week or more, and you will still be able to send and receive calls whilst you are out and about, and it just gives you a break from social media, really. And it's a 2G phone, like I mentioned. It's made for you to receive and make calls. You still have the music, FM radio, you still have the camera for you to take pictures when you want. And this is it for today's video. So this is the unboxing video and setup of this phone. I am going to make another video where I'll be going through all of the settings, and I'll share that with you as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.